this is the prototype antenna. When I flip this switch, the antenna deploys using this little motor and gearbox on the right. So there we have the antenna deployed. The servo and this little accelerometer down here allow the antenna to remain level. So it's a self-righting antenna. It goes a bit mad because it's only an initial prototype, but there we go. A working board. Can retract it. And this little thing here is the H-bridge, which allows the motor to run both ways. The housing is made of FDM 3D printed parts, so it works basically like a tape measure. You have this outer casing which pivots back and forth to simulate the basically controlled by the servo. Just disconnected the power. Yep, which runs back and forth to adjust the angle, and then on the other side we have this little central spool which is attached to the motor, which spins around to send it round. There are some bugs, so my timings are slightly off, so sometimes you have to wait for it to sync up. Yeah, which isn't ideal, but it's good enough for the general prototyping. Yeah, so you have to so one more time. Antenna deploys, adjust the angle, and then retracts.